Hi, my name is Mario, and I'm here at Tech, and I want to show you what this class is about. It's going to help you if you own a vehicle, and if you don't, it will help you later on in the future.
Everybody should take this class. You get to work on engines. It's fairly easy, and then towards the end of the year, Hunter starts letting you work on your own cars, and then you learn about electrical systems as well.
As you see, Auto Overhaul uses books to learn about the car's electrical systems and how the parts function. Auto Overhaul is a program that involves hands-on activities. I hope that you enjoyed and learned something new in this class. As you've seen, Adult Tech is not that hard. It's really easy. There's a clean atmosphere and a helpful teacher. This has been Mario with Scorp TV.
Reporting from FHS Auto Tech building, where the FHS students work on cars donated by the college. This is a credit-earned class, and it is taken year-round. There are many students that are interested in learning about cars. This class will be very useful in the future, some students say. Over here at FHS Auto Tech, they use later model technology, and the curriculum is based on college. They have a very large selection of equipment which is purchased by college funding. They also have an automotive club in the evenings. So if this sounds like fun to you and you think you might be interested, you might want to take the opportunity and sign up for the class next year.
Auto class is an exciting opportunity for students to get a hand-on education. They get to fix up and work on their own cars, do their own brake jobs, and also do alignments. They do this using top-of-the-line technology. They also have an experienced teacher to help guide them through the world of auto.
They are a team working together to surpass obstacles and complete the tasks that are set before them.
I like the hands-on. You get to work on the cars and fix the brakes and the suspension. You get to do it by yourself, and shingles will help you, and then you learn how to do it. So when you get out of high school or something, you'll be able to fix your own tires or something.
Here we see auto class. These students are eagerly learning about cars. The teacher is preparing them for future careers in mechanics or just teaching them the basics of how to fix up their personal vehicles. They are supplied with the same types of equipment that the professionals use.
Challenge yourself to take this class. Using the skills that can be learned in auto class, you can fix up any car, from any race car to your old classic. So if you think that auto class is the right class for you, go ahead and sign up. Remember that there is no fee to join this class. The learning possibilities are endless.
This is Valerie Martinez and Brandon Leffert reporting. We're going to give you some information about the welding class and how fun it can really be, so please listen up. In the FHS welding class, you earn 1 credit. It is an ABS class. If you're not a professional, there's beginning welding class, but this class is one of the most advanced. So, if you think this class fits you, sign up for it now. Your many interests, sign up for welding now. There is nothing to lose, and this is a fun class to choose.
We're here at Farmington High School Welding to take a look at the processes they use every day.
FHS Welding has one of the most advanced shops in the area. They have equipment from around the world. In advanced welding, you get a blueprint to fabricate your own home projects.
It's exciting in a way. It's kind of more interesting, knowing how to put things together and build things. Yeah, this is supposed to be one of the most advanced shops around this area, the Four Corners and the state of New Mexico. Yeah, the students get to use all the equipment. If they want to know how to run something, the teacher will tell them how. Learn the scientific part of it, how the metals mix and what metals mix together. And then you learn the physical part of it, just doing it, welding stuff around the shop.
This has been a brief look at welding. Welding is open to anyone, so go to your counselor and join today.
Jones, and I'm in welding. I'm the only girl, and it's a pretty cool class.
Next semester, video.
Mike Hatch.
This is Ryan Onan and Mike Virel.
We're reporting for KFHS.
talk to